Hey guys, this is everything we sold Monday and Tuesday. Let's see what we sold. Hopefully you guys had a better Monday and Tuesday than I did. We've only did about 10 items. We might have a few more before I'm done with this, but it's been kind of slow. Hopefully you guys have been doing better. All right, we sold a Game of Thrones DVD set right there. What is it, the first season? No, 7th season. We bought this at the pawn shop for $2. We sold it for $19.99. Sold a Wii game called Rooms. We paid $1 for that at a pawn shop. And we sold it for $14.99. We sold a Washington Huskies sweatshirt. Hopefully it's that one. I think it's the only Huskies one I have. I paid $3.99 for it at a thrift store, and I got $29.99 shipped for it. Tell you who got me started buying those sweatshirts was Taco Stacks. He sells a lot of sweatshirts, so I started picking up a bunch of the vintage stuff. I sold them pretty well. We sold three laser discs. They were 3 Die Hard movies. One, two. Well, where did the third one go? There it is. All right, we sold those 3 laser discs. We picked them up for $1 a piece at a flea market, and we sold all 3 of those for $24.99 with shipping. And those were actually a global shipping buyer. We sold this Tom Baker Star Wars Rebels autograph. He was actually Doctor Who #4 also, and we sold this for $28.88, and we paid $5.99 for it on eBay. Like I've been telling you guys, I do a lot of basically retail arbitrage on eBay. You buy off eBay and resell it on eBay, and there's lots of money to be made that way, especially in this pandemic that's going on. Like you said, you can sit there at your own safety of your own home and buy stuff. So I kind of started doing that again. Not having very good luck finding this CD I'm looking for. Oh, there it is. Guess it's some kind of music from Dr. Zhivago. I picked it up at a flea market for 50 cents. And I sold it for $15.99. I believe it was used. Yeah, it was used. Even still had the $10 price tag on it. Still sold it for $15.99. We sold a... don't think it's in here. It was a Blackened Voodoo shirt. To tell you the truth, I'm not really sure where it is. Just checking here. Let me look for it. All right, there it is. Voodoo Lager. Paid $1.99 for it at a thrift store, and we sold it for $39.99. All right, we sold a Penn State jersey. Hopefully it's in here somewhere. chain. Oh crap. Telling you what, I'm not having much luck tonight. Finding anything. Well, let's hope it's in here. I think it's it right there. We picked that up at a Goodwill for $2.99, and we sold it for $23.50. All right, we sold a Blu-ray. I think it's, was it Blu-ray? I think it's There's No Business Like Show Business. There it is. Picked that up at Dollar General for $1.25. We sold it for $7.99. All right, I sold Backstreet Boys CD. I think it's this one. I just listed this one last night, I believe. It was brand new. Picked it up at the thrift store for $1.99. I sold it for $17.99. All right, we have another What's Sold. Everything's sold Wednesday and Thursday. I don't know about you guys, but I had a really slow Wednesday and Thursday. And it started off by Wednesday night. I sold this anime right here for $129. And then today I get a notice, please cancel my order, after they paid for it. So I ended up losing $5 on that transaction. But hey, that's how it goes. Okay, Spider-Woman. I don't even remember seeing this thing here. Something Spider-Woman. I'm not seeing it here. Ah, here we go. Sherlock Holmes, the Spider-Woman and something Voices of Terror. Brand new. I paid $1 for it at the Dollar Tree. Sold it for $8.99. Carrie Blu-ray. Hopefully I still have one of these. There we go. See, I've sold a bunch of these Carrie ones. This also was a Dollar Tree pickup. It was new, still sealed. Paid $1 for it. Sold it for $8.99. The Rake. Picked that up at the pawn shop for $1. Sold it for $9.20. Chuck Season 3 is right there. It's brand new. We bought that at a pawn shop for $2. We sold it for $13.99. Ultimate Alliance. There we go. We bought that at a pawn shop for $3. Sold it for $13.99. Battlestar Galactica Blu-ray. We bought this at the flea market for $20. It's a Blu-ray complete epic series of the old school Battlestar Galactica. Paid $20 for it, and we sold it for $70.99. Disney Fairy Tale Adventure. We paid $1 for that at a pawn shop, and we sold it for $29.99. Well, we just got a bunch more stuff in from stuff we bought from eBay, and we ended up getting 2 Tom Bakers in. We sold one yesterday and we sold one today. We paid $5.99 for that, and we sold it for $27.88. All right, we sold a John Cusack 11x14. Right there. It's from Say Anything. It's Beckett certified. We ended up paying $18 for this on eBay, and I sold it for $38.99.